Hey guys, it's Forrest here. I'm with today. Say hello to Long.
Is it a PG server? I mean, PG channel?
Yep,
That's sad. Gonna search every word on you. Ooh,
just say hello. And I'm
alright,
also
I'm
here with
long.
my girlfriend. Say hello. So yeah, today we're gonna be doing a bit of a special let's play with basically the three of us. Isn't that right? You too? I know. Follow me too. We're actually gonna be starting to go mining. Carly, do you remember where that spot was? Actually, we can just use the spot that you fell into. Do you three have any questions about this live stream? If you do, like, comment, and subscribe, and also leave a comment to see what
Like,
you're doing. Let's see what you guys are up to.
I don't know how to whisper in this game. Can someone explain to me how to whisper?
Sorry if the screen's not that bright. I'm gonna fix it right now. Sorry about that. Don't ask. Basically, the reason why we have diamond tools is I was actually planning on starting this earlier, but we are where it wasn't gonna. Is that right?
Honestly,
I have to go get some torches because of my viewers
yeah,
can't see anything.
we get some torches for crying out loud. Space is darker than Nigerians. No, not Sudanese.
No, no, that type of stuff. I'm just saying
I
this
get it.
is.
This
Why
is a
not? It's
T-shirt.
actually not
I
gonna be a
just,
PG channel.
okay, I just said something very, very rich.
Yeah, I only did because of that.
Oh my fucking god! TNTing above me. No, no, no. Carly, stop TNTing. I don't like it.
I have a ton of torches for us.
What kind of hacks you doing there, Queen?
I
Is
had
that
coal
including?
before.
Start talking.
I had coal
Start talking.
before.
Start talking.
Hey, but do you have any questions? You two? Does either one of you want to give any shout outs?
Sorry?
Do you want to give any shout outs?
Uh, shout out to shout out to the site admin or
Shout outs to also Screencast-O-Matic that let me use this, by the way. That's how I'm recording, by the way. They're actually having a sale right now, about 15 bucks for premium if you want to actually record. So yeah. Basically now we're gonna be do you want to continue mining, you three? Here. 28 for you. That's for you, Carly.
what did
30.
you give Carly for why purple? What did you
Why do you
enchant
have
on
a
it?
fire resistance effect? We haven't even been to the nether yet.
Man, this too? You be
No, I don't.
no. Hey, you bitch.
Don't call my girlfriend that.
She threw fire at me. I have every right. You dog.
Can
You
you
have
two
been
just
trying
help
to
me
act.
mine? Can you two help me mine?
No, no, no.
Stop it, you two, now. Stop it.
No, you're good. So, I didn't do anything.
Carly, can you please stop?
I was only inspecting her sword. It started harassing.
Do you want to help me mine now?
You're gonna be mining it.
Doing a bit of building off camera, if you're wondering, guys. This is why
I hate this auto jump thing. Video setting. Oh. No. Really? Auto jump. No.
Can you guys just help me mine? Sorry if today's video is a bit boring, but we kind of need resources. I would normally do this off camera, but since it's the first episode, I'm start mine as well. Do you know what I mean?
First, how about you credit the guy who gave you the idea?
And also, shout out to Long because he started helping me decide on doing a video. Long helped me decide on doing it.
How many subs do you have anyway? Oh, no.
Bit more than she does.
100 subs, boy.
Can you two help me?
You got torches.
I already gave you
What?
torches.
Oh,
You have
you wanna
torches.
be- you wanna be plastic? I know it's kind of like cheating, but I really it would help a lot.
I have torches, do you?
Don't start mining there! You mine down to 12. What are y'all doing? Oh no! My whole staircase is being ruined.
I'm actually doing it with you.
What do you mean you're doing it with me? I'm the only one. Oh wait, no, never mind. There we go.
Found coal. Mind if I grab it?
Grab what?
Coal.
I can't see anything. Grab whatever you want.
How's that? Come here, you. I need your help.
Me? Nah, you can grab that too. I'm going down to 12. I'm going back down to 12.
Why?
Then I'm TNT and just exploding. Yeah! Fail to burn. Oh, blitz. I like one. Blitz.
Carly, can you do torches, man?
I feel like Carly's just standing there and asking us.
We need help, you know.
I suggest you stop mining where I stopped because we're at 7. We're way too low.
Are we good now?
Go for it. Now you just my straight lines.
Hey, Carly.
Look, I found some redstone. Oh no, I didn't.
Here, do you have any torches?
Oh,
Here,
right.
come here. Come here.
Humans, boys, that happens.
Can you give it to him?
Yep. No, don't steal my diamond. This is my second diamond. Who stole my diamonds? Who's stealing my diamonds? Oh no. Wait, yeah, I got him. You're standing on gold tree, by the way.
Hey. Here. Come here.
Are you talking to me or you're oh?
Helpful?
Yeah. Wow, that's a lot. I take that.
I'm just grabbing like a stack of coal. Can someone get iron?
Yes, I did. I just did not get a lot of it.
I have some too. So how are you doing? I say we each get our own
No.
sugar box.
Stop knocking me out of the way. Pete's sake. Now you gotta stop.
I'm going to go start smelting the iron. Okay? That will be the end of this video. So like, comment, and subscribe. 4 eyes out.